Ouch! That hurt. Ouch! This is an attack rooster. You can see he's mean. I don't want you breaking my camera. This is an attack rooster. He's like a guard dog. He doesn't like anybody getting close to him. Sometimes he'll just jump on you when you're walking by. I guess I'm aggravating him a little bit now with my hat. As long as you stay away from him, he won't bother you. But anybody new comes around, he wants to jump on them. He's mean. Sometimes I catch him and I hold him for a little bit, and he'll behave for a while. He won't jump on anybody. I guess it was bred into him. He's a fighting rooster. I can hold him for a little bit and then I'll let him go and he won't bother me the rest of the day. And sometimes he just jumps on you when you're walking by. You never know what he's going to do. He lived to fight another day. No chicken and dumplings out of him. The end.